Okay, today I'm Leo. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the Chinese fried rice or the yang chow. Here are the ingredients. Okay. First, we have the 1-piece fresh egg or beaten egg. We have here Chinese ham, Chinese chorizo. Of course, we have here the carrots bits. We have here also the square cabbage and spring onions. And we have here the cooled down rice together with square cabbage. And last, of course, our vegetable oil. Now, I'm going to show you the cooking procedure of Chinese fried rice or yang chow. First, we have to heat up the flame for about 30 seconds to prevent the ingredients not to stick to another. After 30 seconds, you have to turn off the flame. Okay, here we go. First, we have the 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Okay, approximately, say for about 5 seconds. Prior to cook, you have to mix all the ingredients: carrots bits, ham bits, chorizo bits together. First, okay, go. Second, the beaten egg. Okay, you have to mix the beaten egg in form of omelette before you put the rice together with square cabbage. Okay, there you go. So, continue to cook. Make sure that the wok is clean and sanitary to prevent the rice sticks to the wok. There we go. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the flame. Add the last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of spring onion. There it goes. Then toast again to mix the ingredients properly distributed. And we're done. Transfer into bowl. Okay. Here's my Chinese fried rice or yang chow. Here's the finished product. We have the critical points to know when you're cooking the Chinese fried rice. First, remember, do not mix the ingredients without the cooking oil. And you have to heat up the wok or proof the wok before you light the oil. That's the critical points when you're preparing the yang chow. That's all. Thank you.